Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to install Visual C++ Runtime All-in-One. This actually includes all the package you need. You don't need to install them one by one. So I'm going to put the link in the description so that you can download it for yourself. So when you download it, you extract it. After extracting, you can see that it has all the distributes you need from 2015 all the way to 2005. So to install this, you have to right click on the install and run as administrator. And this package includes 64-bit and 32-bit. So once the installation is done, it's going to stop. So let's go to our program files and see if it is installed properly. As you can see right here, we have all of them installed from 2015 all the way to 2005, both 32-bit and 64-bit. So that's how you install Visual C++ Runtime on your PC. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.